monetized a faceless YouTube channel with one video. To prove it, here's the video and here's the email. By the end of the video, you will know how and what I did and how you can do the same on your channel, as well as what the channel's called, how much money it's made, and what niche it is in. I've been doing YouTube for over 4 years now and racked in millions of views. And in this video, I'm going to show you my journey. It all started one day when I was mindlessly scrolling through YouTube until I came across a video. As I'm interested in football, I clicked on it, and I was amazed on how many views these videos are getting. These channels are printing with minimal effort. I instantly got thinking on how I could do the same. I'd had another football channel before I used to upload on, but it had been demonetized the year before due to unoriginal content, and that had made me lose all my motivation towards YouTube. But after seeing this one video, I knew I could create better ones. So, the next day I got to work, I rebranded one of my old channels, which was back in August, and I set myself a goal, get monetized by Christmas. Looking back on that now, that was very generous. I named the channel Football Fables, which I got from ChatGPT, as the videos I was going to be uploading would be stories and short clips from football matches. For the branding I used Canva. Canva is an easy, beginner-friendly software that lets you design images. It also has its own built-in video editor. Don't know if anyone's actually used it before though. Then I got editing on my first video. It was about Kolo Muani. It was when he missed that one-on-one in the World Cup final. I had seen a very similar video on TikTok, so I thought it would be perfect. The video took me about 30 to 40 minutes to edit, and then I uploaded it to YouTube with very high hopes. The next day I woke up excited to see what the video was on. Was it on 100k views yet? No, it wasn't. It was on 12. Over the next day or so, it got to around 30 views, and then I started thinking I'd really made another terrible video. But the next day, I woke up and the video had 500 views, and then the next day it had 2,000 views, and then before I even knew it, it was over 100k. To this day, the video sits on just over 400,000 views and 4,100 hours of watch time, which is just over the requirements for monetization. As the YouTube studio takes literal years to update how many watch hours you have, I didn't get monetized in time, so the videos only made me a measly £10 or $13. Channel now sits on just over 2,200 subscribers and over 1 million views. If you enjoyed this video and want more help with your YouTube channel, I've left a link to my Discord server below. And I'll see you in the next video.